We Pinoys love to snack, but the problem is, we know that these commercially available chips are not good for us. So dito sa the Bailiwick Academy, syempre nag-isip kami to offer you less guilt and healthier option to snacking. Dito yan sa ating premium Pinoy Sitsirya. So, dito sa class na ito, it has 6 kinds of Pinoy and original, probably, chips. This includes our all-natural mixed sweet potato or kamote chips. We also have our premium sweetened banana chips. We also have our ube or purple yam parmesan chips. And we have our onion and garlic potato chips. And also, 2 more, we have spicy and all-natural corn chips. And the last one is our Kalabasa and Malunggay chips. Dito lang yan sa the Bailiwick Academy.